What time is it?
Siguro 7:30 na.
Ng hapon, umaga, ng gabi. It's 1:30 in the morning.
Oh, so they're all still asleep.
Yan. Where's the breakfast hall?
Yeah, I'll catch you guys. Oh, watch your step. Yeah, slippery. Watch your step, brother.
Kala live. Yan. Ano ba? Bakit nasira na ito?
Bili tayo ng bago niyang basic sa ikot-ikot.
Oo nga eh. Ayoko na siya.
Good morning, babe.
Look, you got one way back there. Okay.
Good morning.
Alive.
It's a vegan restaurant.
Ha?
It's a vegan restaurant.
Vegan?
No hams. No
Oh, I can't get
But there's an egg.
prime rib. No
Pero-
porterhouse.
Hindi, ganot sinabi naman nila. Good morning po. May I ask your room number po? Ano nga ni amin? 2.
Bana ba?
Iba-iba po.
Dalawa yung 12, dalawa yung 10.
Okay. And then, paano pa kayo?
Si Melly. Dapat ngayon pa.
Outside or outside na lang?
Outside, outside on the other side.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Let's go vegan.
Let's get vegan. Hi, good morning. Yes. You want somewhere there?
Yes, no.
Thank you.